Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General glitch list. I believe we have a total of 14 glitches in this video. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I do need to let everybody know that YouTube's a little bit mad at me right now for taking that week-long break. So, for some people, they have not been receiving notifications when I upload videos. And for others, it gets even worse, because when they click on their subscription feed, the videos aren't showing up there for them either. So, if you think you're missing out on videos, I will be uploading all week long. I will be putting up at least 1 video a day. On some days, I have 2 planned out. So, if you are not seeing my videos pop up in your subscription feed, make sure that you're checking back with the YouTube channel. Now, we already have a lot going on at Dollar General this week. We have a ton of new clearance markdowns. We have a penny list. We also have a clearance event coming up right around the corner. And last night, I uploaded a run glitch deal. So, it should be a very exciting week. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, scrolling across your screen are all of the thumbnails from the recent videos that I've uploaded. So, I'm going to have all of the links for those videos in the pinned comment down below. So, make sure that you check that out if you haven't already. And for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the videos all the way through. If you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. There should be a little gearbox or 3 dots. Click on that, and then you can choose your playback speed. You can speed it up or you can slow it down to your liking, but please just watch the video all the way through. They're just about 8 minutes long. Alright guys, so jumping right into our glitch list. First up, we do have a couple of cash back glitches. So on this first one, you get 50 cents back on the Mott's fruit snacks. This one is glitching and working on the $1 Mott's fruit snacks. So you can choose from the original or the fruit flavored. Both boxes are priced at $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. After that cashback offer is applied, that is going to make your final price just 50 cents. Alright, next up we have another cashback offer glitch. This one is for 50 cents back when you purchase the 3.5 ounce or the 5 ounce sweet tarts. This one is glitching and working on these sweet tart ropes, 3 ounce. These are priced at $1, so that's going to make your final price just 50 cents. Alright, next up, this glitch is still working, and be aware that this does expire this Saturday on September the 30th. So we still have the 4 off 1 for the Always Discreet. It is still working on the 26 count liners. Those are priced at $3.25. If you are at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. If you are at a new register store, or if you go through self-checkout, it will just make the item completely free. Unfortunately, you will not get the overage. Alright, next up, we have a $1.50 off 1 for the Palmer's products, and this coupon will be expiring on September the 30th as well, so that is this Saturday. This coupon is working and glitching on the 2.1 ounce Palmer's hand cream. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, that's going to be paying $1.50. Alright guys, next up, I know that this glitch is going to be a harder item to find, but we do have this 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel-sized shampoo. They're priced at $2.25. So if you find 2, pick those up, use the coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage if you're at an old register store. If you're at a new register, it's just going to make them both completely free. Now, again, just be aware that these are really hard items to find. I believe Dollar General probably discontinued them a year or 2 ago, but you just never know with Dollar General. I have been in there and found items that I thought were long gone. So I figured better to be safe than sorry. I would rather show you all a deal. That way you can at least just be on the lookout for it. And if you spot it, you're going to have a couple of free items. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Vicks NyQuil products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 4 fluid ounce bottles. These are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we also have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Vicks Dayquil products. This coupon is also glitching and working on the 4-ounce bottles. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Vicks Vapo products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 20-count Vicks Vapo cough drops. These are priced at $1, found in the dollar aisle, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Again, if you are at an old register store, if you are at a new register store, it's just going to make the item completely free. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Dove Beauty Bars, 6-count or larger. This coupon is glitching, working on the 3-count Dove Cherry and Chia Milk Scent. These are priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. All right, moving right along, we have another freebie. So we did receive a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the American greeting cards. Now, this coupon is supposed to work on the cards that are priced at $1 or more. However, it is glitching and it is working on the cards that are priced at 50 cents. There's one pictured here, but there are a ton of cards that are working with this coupon. So pick one up at 50 cents, use that digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have a new 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is glitching and working on the Daily Clean Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, found in the dollar aisle. There are different colors that y'all can choose from, so pick one up, use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Now, it doesn't stop there, because this 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes is also glitching and working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush. These are also priced at $1, and you can find them in the regular toothbrush section. So pick one up, use the coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol disinfecting wipes. This coupon is glitching and working on the Lysol travel-sized 15-count wipes. These are priced at $1, found in the dollar aisle. So pick one up, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 25 cents. Alright guys, so there it is, the new Dollar General glitch list. Now, if I have missed any glitches that you guys know about, please let me know down in the comment section below, or you can also send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because we have tons of amazing deals coming up this week. So, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, and do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.